We are at the Three Brothers Family Restaurant. We're gonna have some breakfast because George wanted a diner experience, and then we're gonna go on a little hike. Right, Julie? Yeah. This is Julie's favorite diner. Oh, glasses on. Girl, slay. George, you ready for the hike?
I'm ready. I'm ready as can be.
You think you're gonna get dirty?
Probably.
Guess where we're at.
We are at Kent Falls. Oh my god, don't get that close. We are at Kent Falls.
Tell me more about it, Vanessa.
Kent Falls.
Julie told me it was gonna be a hike. And you literally see the waterfalls from here. What are we doing?
We're hiking, baby.
No, we're not. We're strolling.
No, we're strolling. We are doing a leisurely stroll.
That's what it literally is.
No, we're doing a big ass hike.
Bro,
no, we're not.
We're going
we're
like
not,
5 feet into this thing. You see the waterfall from right here. There's a cute little bridge we got going on here. The park is nice. So relaxing and quiet out here. I love the vibe out here. You know, I'm used to like the Miami noises and all that stuff we were talking about this earlier. And you come out here and it's all super quiet and relaxed. Maybe you stop right here, listen to some water. Peace and quiet. And we made it to the falls. It was only like a 2-minute walk, not even. Very cool though, nice little spot. We got the gang out there. It's fucking cold. I'm about to go back and get my jacket.
This one out. Okay, so everyone is running for jackets.
It's too cold.
It's so chilly.
It feels super nice.
I have just like a vest, but I grew up here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're better suited. We got some jackets.
We had to go back and get the jackets because it was too cold.
Okay, we have George and I up front. How is it?
It's good. So far, so good.
Okay.
Hanging in there.
We're hanging. We're in the lead. Wow, Ricky's all the way in the back. We're doing a photo shoot of George.
I look like a
Yuli.
Yuli.
Is this the top?
No.
There's
I think
more?
We're halfway, yeah.
What?
We're gonna shoot down on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it. I like it. The cool thing about this is you keep having layers. So it goes here, then you go here, or you have another layer, and it keeps going down, 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 down. So it's cool. I thought it was gonna be one waterfall, and that's it.
It's like an iceberg.
It's cold as hell.
You see the tip when you pull up and park in the parking lot, and then you keep walking, and there's just more. That's
so true. I thought that was the only thing that we were gonna go see. Like, oh, we came all the way over here for that little waterfall, and no, there's more and more.
George is doing really good. Georgie,
I got the camera on me.
are you doing well? Are you hanging in there?
I'm good.
He's good.
It wasn't bad. The worst is over, so that's what.
No, it gets more treacherous.
Oh, well, the worst is over for me. I'll be here chilling.
We're gonna catch him on our way back down.
Yeah.
This is when George gets dirty.
We heave and we hoe.
This is it. Oh, it's not that cold.
You swim in that temperature?
Yeah, refreshing.
That's not refreshing, that's freezing. This girl's crazy.
Yeah, you could do an ice bath. It's good for your heart.
Come on, Toots. What up, gang?
Cape Cod counts.
Are you the leader of the trail?
Yeah. These are all my friends. I accumulated them along my life
You found them in the
journeys.
trail.
Yeah.
I picked them up on the way in the trail. the whole bowl.
Yes! Kent Falls complete. Go George. My parents came and surprised us. We got my dad, and now we got my mom and Ricky.
Hey, what up YouTube? We're out here hanging out. So we found this cool brewery in the middle of nowhere in Connecticut.
Hey, Ricksters. So look at all this dried flowers. So pretty. It is cool. George looks so skinny. He's so snatched.
So we got to choose 4 different types of beer. I wanted like a good color selection. I wanted a dark and a mid. Yeah, I wanted a good variety of all different types. I got 2 IPAs and then 2 just normal beers. I don't know the alcohol percentage. And yeah, look at George. He's all like champagne, orange juice, white wine.
Yeah.
That's
This one's
coloring.
the best one.
Damn,
Super.
Ricky's already like
Super's
winged
good.
it.
I got super as
well.
Yeah, super's good.
Yeah, you got light too, Shady.
Yeah, we got the same. I like hollow.
We did the same.
Oh, the
couple
same
goals.
selection.
Found the hatch.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna try this one.
What's the name of it? That's the PN?
And Public Nights. It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I like it.
What does it taste like? A night?
Public Nights. Yeah.
Like a public night out of in the town? Prostitution. It tastes like prostitution and sweat.
I don't know what it tastes like. It's not very strong.
It's not. You would think it is, but it's dark.
Yeah, you think like dark it's like potent, but this is very light.
It's light.
Yeah.
She said it.
Interesting.
Yeah. You know, like. It's
Give
like,
it a rating. Give it a rating.
Watered down 7.
7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
She's
All
a
right.
beer drinker now, so
She has a acquired taste. The palate. She has the palate. Savages.
Cheers to chugging.
Yuli.
Okay, so I'm taking everyone to GW Tavern where I used to work one summer when I met Lil. It was the summer that I lived in Paris.
In
I bussed here.
Paris. In Paris. So Julie bussed here. Paris. So Julie bussed here and now she's taking us back to her roots. We're checking it out. Yeah, to her old school roots. Shh. It's nice and fancy out here.
George Washington's on the wall.
He is. The boy Georgie.
Table for 6.
Table for 6.
Table for 6, please. It's very beautiful. It's very cozy.
You used to work here, Julie?
I used to mainly work in this room. And I would serve people bread, and I would grab their plates, and then I used to grab the ketchup, and it would smash on the floor. It was
Sounds
like a
like
bad
she was a
busser.
mess.
And I would call out all the time, and I would take fireball shots in the bathroom.
You worked.
Yeah, I worked too.
That's hilarious.
But it's really cute.
It is a nice restaurant. And they have George Washington everywhere. I like that. Yeah, it is.
It's like an old restaurant. But there's a cool view. There's a waterfall in the back. Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, check it out after we eat. Tell us what you do in this. Those are your area,
Oh,
right?
this is my area? Okay, so if you turn the GoPro around, that's the bread station.
Right
Okay,
here.
right behind you, yeah. So I would get the bread and the butter, and then a little ticket would come out, and it would tell the table number. So then I would take the bread, I would go place it on the table, and then the waitresses served the food, so I never had to serve the food, but I would have to do like rounds and make sure that there weren't like any empty plates.
In the water.
No, I didn't do water. The waitresses do the water. So I would only kind of like clean the table, wipe it down after everyone's done, and then serve the bread. But it was terrible.
Younger Julie was out here slaving away. Yeah, and then we're gonna see. But this is a cool historic restaurant. Historic in the way that it's old, not because it has any history.
Well, it has history because it's old, but we don't know what this is.
We didn't really understand.
No, George Washington didn't do anything here.
No, he didn't.
The point is, we're gonna check out the view later. It's gonna be amazing. But I'm trying to get them to do shots. They don't want to do shots. We'll see what we do. Maybe do a little cheers. We'll see. We'll see.
And that'll be the last thing you
So Yuli just got her phone stolen.
broke it and you couldn't use it and it was like a whole mental breakdown.
No, you broke your phone on the cruise.
No, I didn't break it. I fell off of a, what was it, a golf cart? Or
It was the craziest phone break you'll ever see in your life. Yeah. And then in the middle of our video, she just like, it slips off of her hand, it falls on the floor and then gets run over.
Yeah, and
We
literally
heard it. We heard it.
the whole thing goes doo-doo. And I was like, ooh.
Oh, you ran over in your own golf cart?
Yeah.
Well, but we were being driven.
We were being driven by someone.
Wow, you don't have a timer?
I want to see the chicken pot pie. That's silly. He said, how many people are here?
Who
Loser!
destroyed you?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh my god, please!
I'm gonna come back.
They're not coming back from that. Boy, I've had 3 strikes in a row destroyed. Chili, you have fun?
Yeah, the best time.
Have fun bowling?
Yes.
Let's see what Vanessa does.
Only get it when I get like a good score.
Last day in Kentucky. And what are we having for breakfast?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs for breakfast. We're gonna go check out the old hot dog stand where Julie used to work at when she was young. And naive.
Stallion.
She was a stallion. And so we're gonna go have hot dogs for breakfast. It's a what's that called? It's a flea market. We're gonna go hang out at the flea market, check out. The girls are gonna go shopping, see if they find thrifting things. They're not gonna find anything.
Yes, we are.
They never find something. Vanessa says she's gonna buy something. Yeah, she's gonna buy the hot dog. And yeah, we're here coming out of the apartment. This is beautiful scenery. Oh yeah. Motherfucker. This town is so cute. Love it.
All right, this is my stomps. We have the hot dog in the trailer over here. And then we have all the rows and we got all my friends.
I'll drag you guys around. She's gonna make us the hot dogs.
Let me know if you're not stopping for a drink.
What do you want on your hot dog?
Oh,
We
your
got
kids?
mustard, ketchup, relish, we have
They grew up
sauerkraut.
Mustard and thank you. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna take a bite out of the hot dog that Julie
Julie's
made
hot
for
dog.
me.
Mmm. 10 out of 10.
Delicious.
What are the options? It's pretty plain, just mustard and ketchup. I don't like too much on it. So
You like it plain.
I like it plain, yeah. Just a little bit of ketchup and mustard.
Classic.
Dude, because it's so bright out here and I'm just seeing red
Is that your new purchase?
yeah.
Hey.
At the New Milford flea market.
Super cool. Yeah, we're already making our descent down to New York again after the flea market. And Julie wanted to take us to this hidden spot. Check it out. stop of the trip.
Oh yes, Greenwich.
Where are we?
We're in Greenwich, Connecticut. I forgot my purse, so I'm gonna
Julie, get that purse, girl.
Yeah, this is Greenwich. This is, dare I say, wealthy.
We're gonna go have some Mexican. We're giving Ellie with her cool glasses
Margarita.
now. Little margarita action. I like that. Are you feeling lit?
A little bit only.
What about you, Julie?
No,
you had that
I-
water?
I wasn't
That water
drinking.
got you lit?
Yeah, I'm super lit.
George is for a fact lit.
I'm
George, say litness.
Litness.
We did the little margaritas at the taco place. Delicious.
Delicious.
And now we're walking down what avenue?
We're in Greenwich Ave.
Wow.
We're
Fancy.
educated now, so it's not Greenwich, it's Greenwich.
The Green Witch.
I'm gonna get a hot coffee, and then George is gonna get the same thing as me.
Me
What are
too,
you-
me too. I'm gonna get a hot coffee. It's so dumb. Delicious.
What are you having, Julie?
A cafecito.
A cafecito.
Okay, I like this jacket. We're at the Real, but it's too big.
Too
And this
big?
one button.
Oh, good.
No.
Kinda.
I like it, but I look like a marshmallow.
You look like a brown marshmallow.
I think it's fine.
No, George, you just like it because it's expensive.
No.
Julie's saying bye to Vanelli, and Julie's gonna cry. Bye, Julie.
I'll see you in Miami. Goodbye. Bye, Ricky. I love
Bye. Love you. Nice seeing you again, darling.
you. Bye.
Bye, Julie.
I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Bye.